For our next video, we are going to play a math game. And so this is a 10 frame making 10 game that we're going to turn into a little bit of an addition game too. So what we're going to do is we have our little ladybug, and so we have the numbers 9, 6, 2, 7, 3, and 4. What we're going to do is we want to make 10. So we're going to pick a spot, pick a dot out of my bag, and we're going to look. So that's 9. If we have 9, how many more do we need to make 10? We would only need 1 more, right? Do I have a 1 on my board? I don't, so I can't use this one. But let's make a sentence about this dot. Our addition sentence can be 9 plus, that's what we're missing, 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Let's pick a new one. So here's 2. How many more do we need to make 10? If we have 2, how many more do we need? 8. You're right. I don't have 8 here either. Let's make a sentence. 2 plus 8, that's what we're missing, equals 10. I'm gonna have to mix these up. One. How many more do we need? We have 1 and we're looking for what? To make 10. We're looking for 9. And look, we do have a 9, so we can place that on top. 9 and 1, 1 and 9 make 10. So I can cover that up. And our sentence would be 1 plus 9, that's what we wanted, equals 10. Very similar to our first sentence, we can flip those 2 parts and still get the whole of 10. Let's pick another one. Okay. This one is 7, so we have 7 dots already. How many more do we need to make 10? We still are missing 3. Do we have a 3? Ding, ding, ding. Yes, we do. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's write that sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right. I'm going to have to erase our board really quick so that we can keep going. Try not to pick one I've already picked. Ooh, 8. What do we need to make 10 if we have 8 already? We need 2, you're right. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we can cover that 2 up, and our number sentence would be 8 plus 2 equals 10. If you wanted to change this from an addition sentence into a subtraction sentence, you would have to start with your whole first, because in addition we do part plus part equals whole. So we could take this whole and make that our first number, and we could say that 10 minus one of our parts. So if we say 10 minus 8, it would equal our second part, 2. That would look the same as this number bond, 10 in the whole, 8 and 2 in the parts. 10, take 8 away, leaves you with 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Do you see how I took an addition sentence and I turned it into some subtraction work too? Pretty neat, huh? Let's go on. Let's pick a new dot and see if we can fill in another dot on our ladybug. All right. 3. So we have 3 dots right now. How many are missing? How many do we still need? 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And we do have a 7. So our sentence is going to be 3 plus 7 equals 10. If we wanted to turn our addition sentence into a subtraction sentence, we have to start with our whole, and our whole is 10. So we could say that our whole minus a part equals the other part. That would look the same as 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, we got 2 more that we need to fill in. Our next number is 6. How many more do we need to make 10 if we have 6 already? 4, you're right. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And ding ding, we got it. So we can write 6 plus 4 equals 10. If we wanted to turn this into a subtraction sentence, again, we have to start with our whole. And we could say 10 minus part, 6 equals part. Whole minus part equals part. The other part that's left over, right? So 10 minus 6 equals 4. 6 plus 4 makes 10, though. If we want to talk addition. We need 1 more. Let's pick a dot. 9. Ooh, we did this one already. If we have 9, how many more do we need to make 10? 1. We can't use that one because we don't have a 1. We're looking for a 6. But we can write 9 plus 1 equals 10 again. What about this one?
Hello?
5. If we have 5, how many more do we need to make 10? We need 5 more. 5 and 5 make 10. Very good. Again, we're looking for 6, so we can't use that. But we can write 5 plus 5 equals 10. If we have 6 and we want 10, what number are we trying to look for? If we have 4, how many more? 6, you're right. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. So let's write that. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Woohoo, my friends. You got it. And we covered up our ladybug. Nice job.